If your Lexus still features a dated factory interface, your driving experience isn't reaching its full potential. At VAIOS, we specialize in bridging that gap, bringing modern, world-class connectivity to the refined Lexus cabin. We don't just replace a head unit, we elevate your entire environment. Notice the seamless integration. Every factory control and steering wheel command is preserved, ensuring that the elegance you love remains untouched while adding the power of wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and high-definition navigation. It's the cockpit your Lexus was always meant to have. Modernize your journey. Experience the VAIOS standard of excellence. If you enjoyed this transformation, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more premium installations. Don't forget to follow us on our social platforms to stay updated with our latest projects. VAIOS. Upgrade your journey. Elevate your experience.